Okay guys, we're going to head into the shack out back. I've been busy out in the garden, went for a couple of motorbike rides today, been watering, and well, let's just head into the shack. It's been pretty dead these days. Got some pretty cool stuff blooming in the garden out here. You can see the palms are all blooming. That's a male up there. And just a whole lot of palm trees blooming this year, more than usual. Some of them are more mature, so that's a female. And then there's a big female here with lots of flower spats on it, so there's going to be a lot of fruit on that one. You can see all the flowers. There's another male down there, then there's another big male beside the tree fern. So good time of the year to be out here on the Gulf Islands in the North Pacific. I'm going to show you something super cool. Actually, there's a male blooming there. That's a female up there. Another female here. See the flowers? Then they get the seed on them. They get pollinated. Another male there. Male palm tree. This is for you gardeners out there, because I know some of you people do garden. I love to garden. It is one of my hobbies. Has been all my life. So here's a really cool plant. This is called a gold ball butterfly bush. Yeah, the bees like it too. It's highly scented and just an absolutely cool exotic plant. It is kind of mostly evergreen here. Got some mason bees on it, bumblebees, honeybees. I wish I had smell-o-vision. Anyway, enough of that. Let's head into the shack out back and see if we can yak. We're going to go on the Sigma Venom 5/8 wave first and see if anybody can hear us out there. Doesn't mean they're going to. It doesn't mean there's going to be anybody out there. Dead so far. Oh, channel 6. Wow, it's dead. 21. Okay, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go to the, I'm going to go to this one right here. Unit and Bearcat. And see. Put glasses on here so I can see. 21. About a DX land, about a DX land. Anybody out there copy 612? 612 out here in the North Pacific, Gulf Islands. There we go. Breaker channel 21, break. Anybody out there copy 612, Gulf Islands? Breaker channel 21, 612, Gulf Islands, waving. Come on, man. Breaker channel 21, 612, North Pacific. Breaker channel 21, 612, breaking 612, Gulf Islands. How about that Gulf Coast station? How about it, Gulf Coast? 612. 612, Gulf Islands, North Pacific, women. Breaker channel. I don't know if they're going to hear me. We're going to try. Breaker channel 612, Gulf Islands 612, breaking. Too many of them in there. He's getting lots of skip. I'm not. Got some skip coming in. CQDX, 791, Gulf Islands, North Pacific. CQDX, CQ 791, Gulf Islands, North Pacific. You know what? I think I better go to the beam. Oh, while there is some skip in there, I just want to make sure. Okay, facing some.
I came by to see a buddy of mine, 4811 Todd. I came by to see him.
4011 Todd, let's see. Okay. CQDX, CQDX, 9 Alpha Tango 791, 9 Alpha Tango 791, Gulf Islands in the North Pacific. We're waving. Hopefully they hear me.
Okay, South Texas Station hears you, but not very well. We have a lot of people in, so let me just wave a hand at you. Name here is Sue, Sierra Uniform Echo, 4011 on a farm station. Waving a hand.
CQDX, CQDX, 9 Alpha Tango 791, North Pacific, Gulf Islands. How about that? Man, we got some skip coming. How about that Laredo, Texas? How about it, Laredo, Texas? 791, 791, Gulf Islands, North Pacific.
I hope he was joking. He was serious. Oh, I didn't know that.
CQDX, CQDX, 791, Gulf Islands, North Pacific.
I have to wave shoe off. I'll be back in a minute. I just let you know that I think he was serious, but your pain gauge, but yep, I think he was.
Anybody out there copy 791, 791, Gulf Islands, North Pacific, trying? That's shitty one-way skip. Hey, Laredo, Texas, you're blasting in here, brother. Hey, thanks for coming back to us. Hey, Laredo, Texas, you got 9 Alpha Tango 791 out here on the Gulf Islands, North Pacific.
Yeah, I know. You got number 9. Well, the real women do, yeah.
All right there, Laredo, Texas. I didn't get your number, man. There's a few stations out there. Hey, cheers and 73s, 9 Alpha Tango 791, Gulf Islands, QSX.
You have a great day out there. It's crazy down here, man. Got a lot of traffic. God bless. Stay safe. Texas Radio.
Have a good one down there. And Texas Radio number 9, we hear you too. Texas Radio number 9, 791, Gulf Islands in the North Pacific.
You got on your Galaxy? Check, 73. Yeah, I did.
We got you in there. We hear a lot of Texas coming in. We're waving back at you. This is 9 Alpha Tango 791 out here on these North Pacific Gulf Islands waving.
Houston, Texas, waving back at you.
I think you said 410 Houston, Texas. Hey, Houston, Texas, we're waving right back, brother. Sounding good. All right there, 410 Houston. I got you 20 over into the red, brother. Keep up the good work. God bless. 410 Houston, 791 Gulf Islands, North Pacific, QSX. I appreciate it, brother. Hey, thanks for the flowers. I was wondering if we're making it out or not. Hey, you're sounding great from the Lone Star State. Like I say, keep up the good work. You're shaking the radio shack. 791 Gulf Islands. Where's that depth? Cheers to you. 73s, 9 Alpha Tango, 791 QSX. I think Golden Gate is out there too. Hey, Golden Gate, 1220, waving at you from the Gulf Islands if you can hear us.